Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new model review here on my channel. First of all, I want to wish you all a very happy new year, and I hope you all had the best Christmas you could have had, given the limitations of course. I hope that 2021 brings you a lot of joy, and fingers crossed it's better than 2020. With that said, let's get into today's video, and today I'll be reviewing this. It's the stunning South African Airways Boeing 747-400 from Gemini Jets in 1/200 scale, released in May 2020, which adorns the retro 90s livery, which was bought from airspots.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. South African Airways owned a variety of 747s, including the 200 series first delivered in October 1971, the 300 series in May 1983, the 400 series in January 1991, and the smaller SP series in September 1976. The registration of Zulu Sierra Alpha X-Ray, named Kempton Park, is the aircraft in focus today, which originally was delivered in October 1992, before leaving the airline 15 years later in October 2007. In December 2007, she would go on to the now defunct Russian airline Transaero, where she would serve until 2015, where she's now stored in Spain. Let's start with the box. The design of the box is simple but striking, with a dominant colour of black providing a great background to outline everything on the box. We have the Gemini 200 branding on the top left of the box, the scale and item number in a gold banner on the bottom left and right of the box, the aircraft type, the retro South African Airways logo across a white banner above the centre of the box, and as always a detailed image of the aircraft that you bought in the centre of the box. On the left and right hand side of the boxes is an image of the plane, the logo, the item number and scale. And on the top of the box we once again have a warning that the model contains small parts and is unsuitable for children under 14 years of age. And lastly, on the back of the box we have a descriptive piece of text to outline Gemini Jets and the service that they provide, and the socials for anyone who wants to get in contact with them. A nice touch. Let's look at the packaging. What I love most about Gemini 200's packaging is that it's very simple. 2 polystyrene moulds that encase the model is all that's needed to provide protection. If we take the top mould off, you can see just how nicely packaged the model is. There's a small bag which contains the undercarriage, which should be kept away from young children at all times, and a mould for the stand. Let's take her out and have a look. And here is the 747, with a length of around 35 centimeters and a wingspan of around 32 centimeters. She's a big old plane. And honestly, right now, it's one of my favourite models that I own. The retro livery is one of my favourites of all time, and once again Gemini Jets have caught it really well. Not really a bad thing I can say about this plane. And to top it off, the plane also comes with a polished belly, which I'll show you in the detailed look in a second. Would I recommend buying it? Absolutely. I wouldn't hesitate buying this aircraft. I knew I just had to have it as soon as it was announced, and so should you. Let's have a detailed look at her.
funky beat.
Well, that's it from me. What are your thoughts on this model? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're new as it would really help the channel out, and again, a massive happy new year to you all. But for now, take care, continue to stay safe, and I'll see you next time.